Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Harun Rashid again. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 9 and 10. This is a very important topic for you. So, dear students, be attentive and take your pen and paper. First of all, welcome to you all in my English class. Dear students, here is a question: how to expand your vocabulary. Okay, today we know that students face difficulties because of vocabulary. So the class is on vocabulary. So dear students, how to expand your vocabulary? Okay, by focusing on words, buildings, we can or you can expand your vocabulary. So vocabulary focus on suffix and prefixes. So today I will teach you suffix. So dear students, listen to me, take your pen and paper and be attentive. First of all, what is suffix? Suffixes are word endings or can make new words. A suffix is a letter or a syllable that is used to make new words. Look at the picture. This is a picture of a family. The family has many members: father, mother, sister, brother, cousin, etc. So just look at the word globe. Globe is a noun and global adjective, globally adverb, globalize verb, globalization noun. Similarly, the words have also a family, and the family is parts of speech, and noun, verb, adjective, adverb are the members of parts of speech. There are also 4 members, but we have to change noun to adverb or adverb to noun, adjective to adverb or adverb to adjective. So today, listen to me, dear students. Understanding suffixes. Suffix help expand your vocabulary, improves reading comprehension. Dear students, most of our students face difficulties when in the section of reading comprehension because they don't know the meaning of the words. As a result, they don't understand the meaning of the passage and won't be able to write the answer of the questions that are given on behalf of the comprehension. So suffix will help the students to improve reading comprehension. First of all, noun endings. Common endings for people. These are the common noun endings you will find or you find in your questions: meant, ION, SION, IC or TION, SSION, AL, ICA, TION, ACTION, IST, SS or OR. These noun endings added after verbs, and that will be transformed into noun. First of all, meant suffix. Look at the picture. Punishment. Punish is a verb and punishment is a noun. Movement. This is the picture of language movement of Bangladesh. You know that. So here are more examples: achieve, achievement, advertise, advertisement, retain, retainment, development, improve, improvement. These are the common noun endings you find in your questions. Here another rule: verb to noun. In case of T or TE, you will write ION or omit E if you find E at the end of any verb. Okay, look at the example: illuminate. illumination. Transport, transportation. Similarly, here are more examples: accommodate, accommodation, associate, association, collect, collection, connect, connection, cultivate, cultivation, distribute, distribution, elect, elections. After verb, if you find de will be omitted. You must write SIONO or double SION. Invade, invasion, invasion. Persuade, persuasion. Persuade means, or persuasion means try to make somebody understand something. There are more examples: accede, accession, allude, allusion, decide, decision, deride, derision. Verb to noun. After verb, if you find it, ve, se or y, write al, omitting these suffixes. For example, propose, proposal, betray, betrayal. Look at this and look at more examples: acute, acquittal, approval, arrive, arrival, deny, denial, remove, removal. Verb to noun. Fy, if you find fy at the end of the verb, and if you want to transform it into noun, first omit y, then write ication or action. For example, beautify, beautification, purify, purification. Here are more examples: amplify, amplification, glorify, glorification, classify, classification, satisfy, satisfaction, verify, verification. Verb to noun. And omit, if you find and of any verb, omit d, write tion or sion in place of d. For example, content, content, contention. Content means make quarrel, to make quarrel. Pretend, pretension. Pretend means to act out. Here are more examples. Look at the examples: attend, attention, content, contention, extend, extension, intend, intention, apprehend, apprehension. Verb to noun. Double ed, and you will omit ed, write ss in place of ed. Accede, access. Proceed, process. Succeed, success. So dear students, now it's time to exercise. Do these 5 exercises in a few minutes. Just 1 minute do this exercise. ওদের ক্লাস চলে আনার স্যারের ক্লাস চলে Okay, dear students, I think you have completed your work. Now match your answer. Everybody praised her for the nice arrangement of her birthday party. He declined the invitation. The man looks very sad for his dismissal from the job. To apply for this post, you need good, qualify. You need good qualification. You need to have comprehension to answer these questions. You need to have comprehension to answer these questions. So, dear students, let's go to the next slide. Common verb endings. If you want to transform noun adjective into verb, you will write en, ify, isc or izd or ate at the end of the noun or adjective. So, dear students, let's go to the rule. En, after noun or adjective, write en and it will transform into verb. For example, white, whiten. Sweet, sweeten. Similarly, here are more examples. Broad, broaden. Length, lengthen. Short, shorten. Deep, deepen. Strength, strengthen. Sharp, sharpen. After noun or adjective, write ify or ify and make it verb. In case of e, omit e and write these suffixes. For example, horror, horror, horrify. To make somebody scared. Horror means to make somebody scared. Glory, glorify. Here are more examples. Noun, adjective and verb. Ample, amplify. Beauty, beautify. Class, classify. Clear, clarify. Just, justify. Quality, qualify. After noun or adjective, write isc or izd. Isc use the British and the American use izd. You can write one of them and make it into verb. For example, sympathy, sympathize. Baptist, baptized. To make somebody Christian religion, Baptist means. Here are more example. Author, authorize. Equal, equalize. Memory, memorize. National, nationalize. Modern, modernize. Hospital, hospitalize. Noun, adjective to verb. Add ate at the end. If you want to make any noun or adjective and if you want to turn it into a verb, so write ate at the end of that word. For example, frustration, frustrate. Irritation, irritate. Here are more examples. Appreciation, appreciate. Cultivation, cultivate. Domination, dominate. Communicative, communicate. Calculation, calculate. Adulterated, adulterate. Exercise. Now it's exercise time. Here are 4 examples. Dear learners, solve these 4 examples. Okay, dear learners, I think you have completed your work. We should not criticize behind anyone. You can cooperate about the problem with your friend. The foolish will peace unruly crowd. The foolish will pacify unruly crowd. Please defend your thinking. Please defend your thinking. Okay, dear learners, I think you have done well. Now it's time to write down the homework. This is your homework, and I think you must please do the homework at home, and you will show it after opening the class. So write down the homework. Okay, dear learners, I think you have written down the homework. Thank you all for enjoying the class.